Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani. Keshwani. We are here because we want to learn to read and write Hindi. We are also here because we want to learn to read and write Urdu. We are doing both at the same time. Let's begin. Today is our lesson number 73. Before we do anything at all, we're going to have to learn 2 or 3 vocabulary words. Let's begin with the very first one, because if we don't take care of them right now, if we don't tackle them right now, they're going to appear in the middle of the thing, and then it's better just to get them out of the way. Here's the very first word. It's a very simple word, very easy word. The word is ma. Ma, when it joins, you know it looks like this. When it joins something, then we have a na after that. Ma, na, and then another na. Manana. What does it mean? It's a verb. Manana is a verb. What does it mean? Kisi ko manana. Manana means to appease. To appease. To pacify. To pacify. To mollify, if you like. To calm. To soothe. When somebody is angry at you, when somebody is upset at you, and you try to calm them, soothe them, appease them, mollify them, that is called manana. But it has a connotation, listen carefully, it has a connotation of trying to appease somebody, trying to soothe somebody, trying to calm somebody down, somebody for whom you have some feelings, some love, some sentimental feelings. If your boss is angry at you, and you try to calm him or her down, that's not manana. I don't know what the word is for that, but that manana has a connotation of appeasing somebody, soothing somebody, calming somebody for whom you have some feelings. It could be your lover, it could be your sibling, it could be your parents, it could be anybody. It could be your friend. But for somebody for whom you have some feelings. In this case, of course, it's the lover, manana. That's the word. Let's do the next word. To appease, to pacify, to mollify, to soothe, to calm, to assuage. Manana. Let's learn the next word. The word is la. Then we have a z. We don't need a z, we need a z. Badi ki matra. And then another z. And now it reads laziz. Laziz is adjective. Do you know what it means? Laziz means tasty, delicious. Something is delicious, something is tasty. You say, ye khana bada laziz hai. ये खाना बड़ा लजीज है. ये बिरयानी या निहारी बहुत लजीज है. It's very tasty. It's yummy. Yum. It's scrumptious. It's delicious. It is laziz. The word is laziz. Let's put them together. We never did that. First thing is going to happen is that this choti ye, because it appears in the middle, it's going to take this shape. Now we have to put them together. Laziz. Here we go. La, z, choti ye, and then another is a laziz. That's how it looks like, laziz. And if something is tasty, something is delicious, something is scrumptious, which as I said is an adjective, the question now is, what would be the noun for it? Let's learn the noun. If something is tasty, then it is tasteful. Something is that's what we're looking. We're looking for a noun. And the noun is le, ze, un de ze, and then a te. We have to work on it. We have to slow down and work on it. The word should read lazzat. Lazzat, as you can see, the sound of z is pronounced twice. First time is pronounced along with the letter preceding it, luz, and then zat. Because the first time around this z is pronounced with the la, in Hindi you will not write whole of it. You will only write, it will take half a letter. So that's the first thing you have to fix. It will not look like this. This line has to go away and this has to extend. And of course it will not be that far apart, it looks ugly. So la, and then you will put half a z, and then you put another z. This is half a z, and then this is the second z, and then it. How do we do it in Urdu? In Urdu, we do not have the concept of half a letter, and we also do not write the letters twice. Then what do? Well, what we do is, we take away one of them, doesn't matter obviously which one, and on the other one, the remaining one, you put a symbol which looks like a W, which looks exactly like a W. That symbol is called tashdid. It's called tashdid. And when the tashdid appears on top of the letter, it tells the reader, hey, pronounce this twice, first time along with the preceding letter, as in luz, and then by itself, luz, zat. And this is how you write it, same as before. And then you put a tashdid on it, voila, luz, zat. Lazzat. And what does it mean? Lazzat can mean a pleasure, it can mean joy, it can mean taste because it is tasty, it can mean flavor, because I said this is the noun, that was an adjective. I said flavor because it was flavorful. It has a good taste because it was tasty. Enough of that. Lazzat is the word. The word lazzat is what we are about to encounter. The word manana is what we are about to encounter. As we just learned, manana means to soothe somebody, to calm somebody, to appease somebody, somebody who is angry at you. Let's begin. Without these two words, without the understanding of these two words, the two lines, I don't know how people go around enjoying this, listening to these two lines if they don't understand these two words. It kills the poetry. It takes the soul out of it if you don't understand these two words. Let's begin. Kisi, kaf with choti ki matra, and then seen with badi ki matra. इससे छोटी है किसी के मनाने. So here instead of manana we have manane, as in act of manana. Manane is an act, the motion of doing it. किसी के मनाने में lazzat. And then you have to stop, and then you start another one. किसी के मनाने में लज्जत वो पाई, पा, and then e. I'm not explaining a lot of things here because we have done many of these many times. By the time we get to day number 73, one day of course I'll have to make a decision to stop explaining everything, because if you are watching day 73, I assume that you have watched the previous video because you are here to learn the languages, learn to read and write Hindi and Urdu. You have to start with day 1 and go in sequence, in proper sequence with some discipline, so that I don't see the need to have to explain same thing over and over again. किसी के मनाने में लज्जत वो पाई, किसी के मनाने में लज्जत वो पाई. So when he was trying to soothe me, when he was trying to calm me, when he was trying to appease me, I found it so pleasurable, I found it so delicious, I found it so enjoyable. That's what it says. किसी के मनाने में लज्जत जो पाई. I found it very enjoyable, I found it very enjoyable. I forgot the other words I just said. 2 seconds ago I said them. I don't remember them. I find them enjoyable. I find them. That's what this is. किसी के मनाने में लज्जत हो पाई. The pleasure that I felt, I enjoyed it so much. I loved it so much when he was trying to appease me, when he was trying to soothe me, when he was trying to calm me, when I was upset at her, when I was upset at him, when I was displeased with him, when I was angry at him. He soothed me, he calmed me, and that process that he went through, oh, I found it so enjoyable. That was so tasty. That was so yummy. So yummy, in fact, that I'm going to get so angry, in fact, that I'm going to get angry at him again. Because I want to go through that again. I want to enjoy that experience again. I'm going to get angry at him again. That's what the next line says. किसी के मनाने में लज्जत वो पाई कि that's how you would write it. K. That's a fur. P and H. That's a fur. P and H. Fur. We don't need a fur, we need a fee. And then R. Fir. K. Fir. K. Fir. Fir means again. K. Fir. The next word is, we don't need a R, that's a R, we don't need a R, we need a ru. Not only we need a ru, but we need a badi U ki matra. Badi U ki matra, as we know by now, in Urdu we do it by putting a vav and ulta pesh. That gives us badi U ki matra. Then we have ta. Ta is ta and do chashmi here. When we put them together, it looks like this. K. Fir. Root, that's what it says. That word that's here, it says root. Root. Tha that you see there is just a, in Hindi, it's just a circle. That's supposed to be a circle. Okay, fir root jane. Jane. को जी चा हो ता है वाला के फिर रूट जाने को जी चाहता है. I feel like getting at him. I feel like getting angry at him again. I feel like getting upset at him again. I will pretend to be angry at him again. I will pretend to be upset at him again, because when he appeased me, when he soothed me, when he was trying to manana, जब मुझे मनाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे वो, I found it so tasty, so delicious. I enjoyed it thoroughly. किसी के मनाने में लज्जत वो पाई, लज्जत, that's what it is. किसी के मनाने में लज्जत वो पाई कि फिर से रूठ जाने का दिल चाहता है, जी चाहता है. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Bye now.